Alright, so I have another little mini fashion series 1 ball, and hopefully I've opened enough of these by now that I can get it open with some ease, because that would be nice. Alright, it's coming open easier than the other one was. I spoke too soon. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there eventually. You know, one day I'm going to be able to open these up in like 2 seconds. But that day is not today, apparently. Alright. We're getting better at it, though. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, let's see. Take them out. And I don't know, I just love how they sound. Do. Oh, we already got this sticker. Alright, that's cool. Ooh, stuff I don't already have. Oh, it looks like a little mini face cream or something. Oh, that's cute. Cute. What else do we got? Alright, we got more sunglasses. Already got those. But this, I don't have this one yet. What is it? Oh, y'all, I think it's like a compact. Yes! Look at, it's got a little mirror. Oh, that's so cute. And then you close it. It says MF on it, which I'm sure means mini fashions, but you know, I'm gonna think it says motherfucker. I love these. Ooh. This one's cute. Aww. I don't have this one yet. Look at. Aww. Take the little things out. Put the little things in. Do. Sunglasses for this bag too. Unlock it. And now I guess we're gonna go eat some dinner.